The Bell System picture phone, launched in 1970, marked a significant milestone in communication technology, allowing users to see each other during calls. Despite its groundbreaking nature, the high price limited its use predominantly to corporate clients. Transitioning to 1977, Polaroid introduced the Polar Vision system, which provided an innovative approach to capturing and instantly developing home movies. However, the challenges posed by high costs and limited playback options hindered its broader market success. In 1975, the IBM 5100 portable computer emerged as one of the first devices to combine significant computing power with a compact design. This innovation transformed work processes and greatly increased productivity for users. Equipped with APL programming capabilities and a built-in tape drive, the IBM 5100 became a versatile tool for professionals. This marked a considerable shift in the landscape of computing technology. Meanwhile, the Sebring Vanguard City car, introduced in 1974, represented an early foray into electric vehicles, highlighting advancements in eco-friendly transportation. Its design mirrored the increasing awareness of environmental issues. The launch of the IBM 3800 laser printer in 1976 revolutionized printing, boasting high-speed outputs and exceptional print quality. This innovation laid the foundation for future advancements in laser printing technology. Developed to assist children, the Speak and Spell featured engaging built-in games that enhanced spelling and pronunciation skills. Its keyboard and small display enabled interaction and learning. The original Speak and Spell has since become a sought-after collector's item, cherished by vintage toy enthusiasts and tech historians alike, highlighting its lasting cultural impact. Its technology has significantly influenced modern educational tools. In 1975, Kodak unveiled its first digital camera prototype, showcasing groundbreaking technology. However, due to concerns about disrupting their film business, it was never commercially released, becoming a key artifact in the history of technology. The Betamax format gained recognition for its superior video resolution and color fidelity compared to VHS. However, its shorter recording times ultimately limited its market appeal. Digital wristwatches gained traction in the 1970s, with the Hamilton Pulsar P1 setting the stage for this new era. The LED displays of these watches piqued consumer interest, leading to widespread popularity. In 1976, the Mattel Auto Race marked a significant milestone as a groundbreaking handheld electronic game, with over 1 million units sold. Its success reflected the burgeoning interest in portable gaming devices during that time. The Behart 9901B calculator emerged as an innovative tool, featuring basic arithmetic operations and considered advanced for its era. This popularity underscored the growing reliance on electronic devices for everyday calculations. The introduction of the Panasonic automatic bread maker in the 1970s revolutionized home baking, symbolizing the beginning of kitchen automation and the increasing consumer demand for convenience in food preparation. Released in 1973, the Motorola Dynax signified a major breakthrough in mobile communication, illustrating the transition towards portable technology. Its status as a luxury item paved the way for future developments in mobile phones. The Sony Walkman, launched in 1979, forever transformed how consumers experience music on the go, becoming a cultural icon and selling over 200 million units worldwide. Both the Walkman and the Polaroid SX70 exemplify the innovative spirit of the era, paving the way for modern technologies that define personal entertainment and photography today. Introduced in 1972, the Polaroid SX70 allowed users to develop photos instantly, merging convenience with innovation and earning immense popularity among photographers. The Quinart food processor debuted at a price of $200, relatively high for its time, but justified by its advanced capabilities. It quickly garnered popularity, overcoming initial skepticism about its cost. The impact of the Quinart food processor initiated a shift in kitchen dynamics, emphasizing convenience and speed in cooking. This transformative approach altered how people approached food preparation. The legacy of the Quinart food processor continues to endure, remaining a vital tool in many kitchens today. Its design has evolved over the years while still retaining core functionalities that cater to modern culinary needs.